Original column shift components are hard to find these days. A solid alternative is to purchase a Resto Part steering column. With that, you can choose to purchase accessories like a column shift handle to match perfectly on your vehicle. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 through 77 Chevelle and El Camino column shift handles. Our column shift handles are manufactured from billet steel. They're designed to fit perfectly in our exclusive Resto Parts steering columns. With correctly located drilled holes, you can count on your part to line up and install straight out of the box. Shifting your column shift car will feel like it did coming off the showroom floor. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.